Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I'm going to do a build of the 1958 Edsel Pacer AMT car 125 scale, skill level 2, and this one is kit number 30032, and this kit came out in 1999. So as always, I'm going to open the box up and I'm going to get inside. I'm going to start separating parts and I will get back to you in a minute. Just a quick update, guys. This is for the 58 Edsel Pacer. Inner door panels are coming along nicely. The engine is ready to go. And dashboard, half the dashboard is here and the other half is coming along. Still got a little bit of detailing to do on that. Steering wheel, steering gearbox, master cylinder. The frame turned out beautiful, and then the interior section is coming along. Body's in paint right now, it's drying, and coming along nice. So far everything's going together real easy. I'm enjoying it. The hardest part is just waiting for paint to dry, literally. Okay, see you. Well, there it is, folks. 1958 Edsel Pacer. This was a slight challenge because of the different tones of the colors. And my biggest complaint with this kit was that the manufacturer, it was a AMT Edsel kit from, let me look at the box right here, from 1999. It was this kit right here, or it is this kit. And my biggest complaint is that and I do mean all of the chrome, where it attached to the sprue tree, the points that it attached are the exposed areas. And what I mean by that is the headlights were attached at the very top, so okay, you don't really see them. But here's an example right here. The side mirror was attached on the top of the sprue tree. If they'd have put it on the bottom, we could have trimmed it and made it fit real nice. The antenna was attached on both ends. The door handles was attached on the top there. You can see where I touched it up with some silver chrome. This back piece, the attachment point was right there on the top, where it had to be filed down and chromed, painted. So that's my biggest complaint. A little bit of dust in there. But there it is. Interior is, let's see, you can't really get a good shot of the interior. Well, it's got 4 different colors on the inside. I showed you the dash in an earlier section. Let's see if we go ahead and get the hood off. Show you a little bit of detail on the engine, some heater hoses, battery, radiator hoses, master cylinder. Down there in the very corner is, underneath the master cylinder is the steering gearbox. Got the heater hoses, the heater box. Everything looked pretty good. So this one turned out nice, and I hope you enjoy it. It was enjoyable to build. Let's see if I can pick up the body here and show you the bottom. Again, the front wheels aren't attached, so they turn separately. The bottom come out nice. I like the aluminum color on the muffler there that says Ford right on it. I thought that was pretty slick. Yeah, so that's it. That's one for the shelves. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.